Hi students, welcome back. Coming to the next topic in the subject mobile computing was GPRS. So you already know about the GPRS generally because everyone is using the mobile phones. In their mobile phones they are having the feature of GPRS. GPRS is a General Packet Radio Service. The full form of GPRS is General Packet Radio Service. So this packet is a GPRS, let me write the point, is a packet switching technology. We call it as a packet switching technology that enables the data transfers. That enables data transfer. So whatever the services we are using, the main concept of the servicing is to make the data transfer more efficient. So here the GPRS is a packet switching technology that enables the data transfers through cellular network. And cellular network GSM, it is a global system for mobile communications, okay, which providing end-to-end wide area wireless IP connectivity. So that is a GPRS. Means a GPRS is a packet switching technology, that is a General Packet Radio Service, is a packet switching technology that enables the data transfer. Through cellular network. So you already know the cellular network, which represents which consisting of so many cells. Cellular network GSM, which is providing to end-to-end wide area wireless IP connectivity. Then what are the main benefits of using this GPRS? Why everyone is using this GPRS? What are the main benefits when compared to the GSM? In GPRS, the resources are reserved only when needed and changed accordingly. Okay, so whatever the resources that are present in the network, so those resources will be used whenever we required. Okay. Resources are reserved only when needed. Okay, only when needed and changed accordingly. And another benefit is it is a connection setup time. Here in GPRS, the connection setup times are reduced. Connection setup time are reduced. And it enables the new service opportunities. GPRS always welcomes the new services opportunities. Okay, so because of these benefits, everyone is using the GPRS technology. It's a resource and or reserved only when they are needed. Here the connection setup is also takes less time and it enables the new service opportunities. Now let's see the architecture of this GPRS. So let me draw the architecture. So let's take this is a system, any system, whether it is a mobile system or the any laptop's connection. So let's take a telephone. Okay, so a telephone. So each system is connected to a telephone, and these telephones are connected to the base stations. Okay, so these are connected to the base stations. So from base stations, these all base stations are monitoring base station controller. The base station controller is monitoring all the base stations, and this base station control will be checked by the MSC. Okay, mobile system controller, and maybe the IP network. So the base station controller can be monitored by the mobile station controller or the IP network. So from this PSTN or SST network, and here let's take this will be connected to the SGSN. So first let me write the points, later I'll explain about all these concepts. Okay, SGSN and SGSN to the IP based GPRS backbone. Okay, and this IP based GPRS backbone is connected to one of the database, that is a Cisco GGSN, and finally it will be in the cloud internet. So this is an architecture of the GPRS. So here what you are seeing means what are the terms that you are seeing here. So this is a systems, and systems are connected to the some telephone. It's a wire telephone, and from this all systems are connected to the base stations. The base station will be controlled by the base station controllers, means on which device the network is coming, or to which system the network has to be handed over. That will be decided by the base station controller, and it will be monitored by the MSC through the finally the public switching telephone network, or it may be connected to the IP network. So the IP network is connected to the SGSN, and IP based GPRS backbone will be present in between, and finally it is connected to the internet. So I'll explain what are these terms are and why these terms are used in this GPRS technology. So let's see. Here we uses a GSM architecture. It's just the GPRS is same as the GSM architecture. Here we are uses the GSM architecture plus GSN, that is the GPRS support nodes. Okay, so here this is a GSN, means GPRS supports node. So it may be the SGSN or it may be the GGSN. So whatever you are seeing in the diagram. So this complete structure up to here, this complete structure is GSM structure, GSM architecture, whatever we discussed. And here we are using the terms like it's a GSM, it's a GSM plus GSM support node. So here we are using SGSN, one of the node servicing node, and another GGSN, which is a gateway GPRS support node. Okay, let me write. So this uses the GSM architecture plus GSN, that is the servicing GSN, that is a support node, GPRS support nodes, which is used for servicing, and another is the gateway GSN, means the gateway GPRS support node, gateway GPRS support node and the servicing GPRS support node. So with the help of these two supporting nodes, the GPRS is working more effectively. So here what it is using, it uses a packet switching and faster than the GSM. We know that it is faster than the GSM. Why it is faster than the GSM? Because of using the servicing nodes and the gateway nodes, the GPRS is faster than the GSM. It uses packet switching and faster than GSM as well as CDMA. And it enables a simultaneous transmission of packet also. This GPRS enables simultaneous transmission of packets. Okay, so finally what you can say, this GPRS supports nodes which offer the packet service nodes, that is the servicing GSN, that is the servicing GPRS support node, and the gateway GPRS support node. So these two nodes are supported by the GPRS to offer the packet services. Okay, so in the next video I'll explain what is this servicing GPRS support and the gateway GPRS support node. Thank you.